Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make garlic fried rice. It's a very easy recipe, please stay tuned. And here are the ingredients. 1 day old rice, which is about 2 cups, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 3 cloves of minced garlic. In a shallow pan, I would add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Turn on heat to low and add your minced garlic. And we will stir fry the garlic until it becomes nice and golden brown. This process is very important because the garlic will get burned. So it's good to keep an eye on it. Once it's reached this nice golden brown color, we will remove it and put it aside. We could leave a little bit of the garlic inside the pan and also leave the oil so we could stir fry the rice. With the heat still low, we will add in our butter. Once the butter is melted, we will add in our rice. Now we could turn on the heat to medium, and then we could stir fry the rice into the oil and garlic. Make sure that the rice is break apart so it won't clump up. Once the rice is nice and soft and incorporated into the oil and the garlic, we could add in the rest of our garlic. And then we will continue to stir fry the rice and the garlic together until it's nicely incorporated. Our garlic fried rice is done, guys. Now let's plate them. This garlicky fried rice is best eaten with longanisa, sausage, or spam, or any type of meat you would like. It will definitely enhance your meal. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below and I will see you in my next video.